How to solve a linear system with two unknowns using a calculator. Using Casio fx-991ES. First, you have to rearrange the equations so they then form a1x plus b1y equals c1 for the first equation, a2x plus b2y equals c2 for the second equation. So the example I'm going to show you today is x plus y equals 38 and 10x plus 12 y equals 412. Go to your calculator, select mode. You're going to select 5 for equation. You should see this on your screen. Select 1. You should see that there's room for 2 equations. You're going to go to your equation. The values in front of your x and y are going to go into a and b. So in front of here is 1. Hit enter. In front of here is a 1. Hit enter. And your c value is your 38. So select 38. And again, select enter. Should bring you to the second equation. Select 10. And then enter. 12. And then enter. And 412. And enter. You should see this on your screen. Now select enter again. Should give you your x value is 22. And select enter again. You get y equals 16. There you have it. Those are your solutions. X equals 22 and y equals 16. You've just solved a linear system with two unknowns using a calculator, the Casio fx-991ES.